Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please considering subscribing to my channel. Also, welcome to my special Christmas series where I'm talking about everything Christmas and New Year's. So it's the holiday season, you guys, and I'll be sharing some amazing videos with you all from 21st of December to the 31st of December. So if you haven't watched this series already, do watch it right now. I would leave a link for it in the description box below, and I'm sure you're gonna love it because I'm sharing some delicious recipes, some nice DIYs and some goal setting inspirational videos for 2021. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss the daily videos that I am uploading on my channel. I am here with you guys today to share another holiday special recipe, that is the strawberry mousse. Yes guys, this is just three ingredients based recipe and this is loved by both kids and adults. I have served this recipe so many times in my family dinners and it has got me so many praises. Almost everyone loves it and no one is able to say no to this one, so you might not want to miss on this recipe. This is such quick recipe, it gets ready in almost no time with almost zero effort, so it's such a great deal to have such delicious dish ready. I'll be making this recipe using the whipped cream powder, but if you do not have that around you, you can also go ahead and use the normal whipped cream that you usually get on the dairy stores. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with the recipe. So for this recipe of strawberry mousse, we are going to be needing this whipping cream powder. I'm using this one from Puramio. It looks something like this. I got this one from Amazon. Now I'm gonna weigh about 100 grams of this powder using a weighing scale. And now I'm gonna be adding about 100 ml of milk in this powder. Then using an electric whisker, I'm gonna start giving this a nice whisk, and we are gonna continue doing this step for about 2 to 5 minutes. It might take a bit longer as well, but we need to do this step till the time the cream gets all fluffy, and we want to achieve a state where we can see standing peaks of this whipped cream. We can finally stop whipping the cream when we have these sort of standing peaks in the cream and the cream gets fluffy. Now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of strawberry crush to this whipped cream mixture. Then with a spatula, using the cut and fold method, I'm just gonna mix all of the strawberry crush in this whipped cream really well. You can add some more strawberry crush to this thing if you want. Approximately, I do not think you're gonna need more than about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of strawberry crush for about 100 grams of whipped cream powder. Mix it well again and keep it in the refrigerator for a while. Then, after taking it out from a refrigerator, transfer the mousse to a piping bag. Here I have kept the piping bag in a glass to single-handedly add mousse to the piping bag. You can use the same method if you do not have any help around. Now to decorate the shot glasses from inside, I'm just slanting them down and dropping off some strawberry crush on their edges. This will look really nice once we pipe in the strawberry mousse in these shot glasses. Now taking the strawberry mousse that we filled in the piping bag, I'm gonna pipe it out in the shot glasses. You have to just randomly pipe out the strawberry mousse in the shot glasses as shown in the video. You can also use nozzles if you have them and if you feel more comfortable with them. Fill in rest of the shot glasses too, and tada! Your strawberry mousse is ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do tell me what are your reviews for this recipe. Prepare this recipe at home and get ready to get all sorts of praises from your family and friends. Do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.